खत्म।
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
Question is, in your school, the drama club is organizing a drama. Write a notice to be put on the school notice board inviting students to participate in the drama. Sign yourself as the secretary of the drama. Answer of the question is, notice KVNO3 Delhi Kent to participate in drama. Date 24th August 2021. All the students of the school are hereby informed that the drama club of our school is going to perform a drama on 14/11/2021. Willing students who want to participate in the drama are welcome. They must give their names on or before 5/11/2021 to me for a hassle-free conduction of the program. Thank you, ABC, Secretary of the Drama Club.
खत्म।